word. Come join us live from 10 a.m. today. Ziyakhala, and if you miss it, zizokhalela ngempela. AIFT is here today at the KwaMashu G Hall, ready to empower the future generation. Today we will be speaking about future career decision making, about AI, about technology, and the best parts about social media. Now we all know our 2K is up and running when it comes to technology, running our TikTok pages. So today we've come to give them a little bit of upskill just so that they perfect that skill. See you later. Sanibonani, ninjani, nami ngiyaphila, nazi nabahle, ngokuphelele kwenu. Thank you so much to everyone who took out of their time to be here with us today. So happy that we could join together and celebrate this day together. Before we presume, I just want to say it's a true honor to stand before you today and carry out this program. Today is not just another event, it's a movement. It's a platform designed to empower young minds, spark new ideas, and bridge the gap between innovation and education. This program is brought to you by Alphest Institute for Future Tech in partnership with Moses Institute. It's a celebration of progress, creativity, and of purpose. It's about showing that technology, it's not just about gadgets nor codes. It's about unlocking potential, solving real-world problems, and building sustainable futures for our community. Throughout today's session, you'll be hearing from some incredible speakers and some leaders. We'll explore topics such as smart ICT and cybersecurity, turning innovation into sustainable enterprise. To our youth participants, this day belongs to you. We ask that you engage, that you speak, and that you challenge the person next to you. And also, take notes. The future is being written in those books. Thank you so much once again. As we begin this exciting journey of learning, networking, and inspiring, I just want to speak on behalf of myself and introduce myself. My name is Usinimpilo Ndlovu. A couple of you met me outside earlier on. I have not forgotten my fellow people that I will be dancing with here. Maybe keep that in mind. First and foremost, I just want to invite onto the stage everyone, not onto the stage, but everyone amongst ourselves as a tribute to our education system that we all partake in the singing of our national anthem. May we all rise.
Office 1 to 114, Ubaba, uKhansela uSizwe Ndlovu. I'm glad to be in front of you particularly because we are speaking to young people, generation that ought to take us forth from here towards the future. Ngicabanga ukuthi okubaluleke kakhulu ezokusho kuni ngokunamukela la kakhulukazi nina abantu abasha is to say that from i-theme yenu ekhuluma nge-smart economy, that it's important that we leverage our digital influence, particularly as young people, as the future that is bright, for continuous learning in particular. But what is most important is that we must utilize the skill most valuably so. We utilize our skill, we master the ability to learn, we unlearn, we relearn. Uma ngisho njalo ngihamba kakhulu emazweni lapha omunye wama theorists ekuthiwa Karl Marx wayethi kubalulekile ukuthi njalo uhlezi ufunda uqeqesheka ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzobaluleka ukuthi futhi njengabantu abasha we not just smart apps users, but we demand to be part of the economy through that utilization. I know for a fact that you know as young people that the economy is at your fingertips nowadays. And so saying that, take these words and move forward with them. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Baba Mpoenda. I will gather as my fellow colleagues join me to the stage.
Thank you, our Director of Ceremony, Sanmanani. Njani. So who we got here? How many in grade 9? Hands up, please. Grade 9. Straight, grade 9. Okay. Yeah, Bonga. Grade 10s. You got any grade 10s? All grade 9s? Okay. Now, you are the grade 10s of tomorrow, aren't you? Yes, so I'm talking to the right people. Now all around you, you will see Outwest Institute for Future Tech. Our name is fairly new, but our institution is not. Who has heard of PC Training and Business College? You've seen our boards, you must have seen our boards. Those boards now have transformed to, yes, Outwest Institute for Future Tech. So hopefully you are thinking about where it is that you want to go in terms of your future, right? So let's get a feel now. How many of us are thinking about business? Hands up. Good, very good. All right. Anybody else thinking about IT? Yes, we have people. So whether you're thinking about business, whether you're thinking about IT, we have a qualification for you. We have 5 faculties. For example, business, artificial intelligence, cyber security. These are program qualifications for the future. But no matter what your field, whether you want to be in law, whether you want to be in medicine, we have a qualification for you. Now I'm going to give you a very quick test, and I'm going to offer a prize to the person who can give me the answer first. I see you got our Z folds with you, all of you. Yes? I want to know, how many campuses do we have around the country? How many? Somebody says 8. Is that 8? Shout, you can shout. There's no teachers here. They're not going to ask you to keep quiet. How many? 8. Not the right answer? Yes, ma'am. No, don't go down, go up. So it's not 8, it's not 7. Come on, you got it in front of you. Yes, let's go. How many? 10? You're getting closer. 30? 30? 9? I don't trust you. I'm going to have to count it for myself now. How many? 13. Anybody? I got 2 13s. This prize is being just itching to be given away. Yes, shout. Shout. 13, 13, 13. So now you know 13 is not an unlucky number. 13 is a very lucky number. Okay, so we have a surprise for you. You like surprises? Very good, since you are such good and well-behaved learners. So, if you take your right hand, and you put it under your chair, you will notice, there's nothing there. Okay, but that's a joke. Very seriously, I have a gift for every single one of you. All you have to do to claim that gift your prize and go into the hat for the awarding of our bursaries. So we get to give away bursaries as well. Okay. All you have to do is come to our table and give us your details. I have more than one gift for you. That's just about 2 gifts I mentioned. This is the 3rd one. Summer is coming. You're going to need a cap, right? So come to our table and collect your cap. So ladies and gentlemen, Alvest Institute for Future Tech, as I said, the name is new, our institution is not. You all know what tablets are. We were the first institution to give away tablets to our students. Way back in 1997, 1998, 2000, we gave away tablets. So imagine what we are doing now in 2025. You know what tablets we gave away? Not Panados. What tablets? Yeah, tablets, okay. So we are here today to answer all of your questions. Put your minds at ease and remember that my main reason for being here is that I had my son do matric in the last year. And as a parent, it broke my heart when the institutions, you all know all the universities, didn't want to accept him. Talking about things like exemption, you must have an exemption. You must have a bachelor's pass. You must have a diploma pass. You must have so many points. All of those things do not matter by us. Okay? We believe that everybody deserves a chance. Okay? So we look forward to meeting you. We want to build that relationship with you. And we want to especially focus you on the future. And in order to do that, I'm going to hand over to one of my colleagues now who's going to talk to you more about that future. But before I do, I must tell you this is my 2nd time in this venue. The last time I came here was to do exams. You like writing exams? Yeah, of course you love writing exams, right? You must challenge yourself and always get to learn something new every day. So we're doing exams here. I was at the front making announcements like this, and there was a young man at the back seated there. And I noticed after the exam started, first he took off his jacket. So I thought, okay, maybe it's hot there, all the fans were not on, so it's okay. Then I noticed after a few minutes, he was taking out his shirt. Now I'm worried. So I started to walk to the back. And as I get close to him, he started to take out his pants. And I said, I know what are you doing? Ima! You know what this young man said to me? He said, how, sir? This question said I must answer in brief.
Thanks, Dr. Syed. That was funny. Good morning, everyone. It's great to be here and to have this opportunity to address all of you. We come from a very passionate background of teaching technology. But before I proceed, can I just ask you, Who's heard of Mark Zuckerberg? One person amongst us. Okay, now let's try someone else, a little bit more famous. Elon Musk. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, why am I asking you about these two people? Because, first of all, these guys are ex-South Africans. And they have gone to the first world and they have made it in technology. And if you look at our name, Alpes Institute for Future Tech, we are absolutely passionate about technology. So much so that I was actually talking to someone in Matric an hour ago, and I was talking about what career they were looking to do. And believe me, amongst 50 or 60 students, not many had a clue of what they wanted to do after Matric. So that was a little bit frightening, actually. And I think this is the perfect opportunity to talk to grade 9s, because you are going to be the future grade 10s, the future grade 11s and 12s, and the future leaders of the country. The country needs you. It needs your brains, it needs your talent, and more especially, it needs your technical skills. Now, the college that I represent does not only concentrate on IT, we do digital marketing and basically accounting, basically anything to do with business studies and all of those things, right? So it's not just IT, but IT is our main focus area. And IT is actually leading the world right now. Even if you go to a bank, the bank is unable to function without IT. If IT shuts down, the entire bank is disabled. So guys, what I'm trying to do is to just get some of your taste buds going for technology. And we are going to be here for the rest of the afternoon, I think. A couple of hours at least. And we encourage you to come and talk to us. As I was saying, I was talking to this matriculant, and I said to that person, I just chose a random career. I said, okay, are you going to be an engineer? He said, okay, let's say I want to be an engineer. I said, well, how are you going to stand out from all of the other engineers that are being interviewed for a job? For example, if there were 500 graduates that came out of universities in South Africa, how would you stand out? And he had no idea. But I thought of something. I said, why don't you do digital marketing as a short course? And what has digital marketing got to do with engineering? If you really think about it, they are all interlinked in some way or form, right? So I said to you, if you went to an interview and you did digital marketing, you could tell your prospective employer that I did digital marketing for my own professional development because I'm keen about technology and how we can market things. So in your company, this is the student talking, in your company, I would like to do digital marketing to sell your engineering skills to more people. So what's that going to do? That's going to increase your business. It's going to increase your income. I don't know if it's a sign for me to shut up, but I won't be much longer. So anyway, that's one way you can stand out even as an individual in school. When you get to grade 11, look out for us. We offer bursaries. We offer unlimited opportunities for people to study. I see a hand up. You can't hear me? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was talking all this time, thinking everyone could hear me. Anyway, apologies for that. But do come and speak to us. We're here for you, and we're really concerned about where your future takes you. We want to see you up there with Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Thank you, guys.
Program Director. Thank you so much, Program Director. And Bingelele Kozawethu la Alvest Institute. Na kuyetha radio. Sanibonani nonke njani? Niyaphila? Ngathi ngikhathele Friday. Akusiyona Friday. Okay. No. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba lokuthi ningimeme ukuthi ngizoba ingxenye yenu namhlanje. Njengoba uprogram director wethu seshila igama lami ngoZama Dlamini. Ngivela le eMoses Kotane Research Institute. Niyayazi? Aniyazi? Angivele ngihambe lana project program director bangazi. Abayazi institute yethu. Ngiyayidlalela. Ngizo introduce yona senzela khona lokho ukuthi nisazi nokuthi nisazi ukuthi senzani kuma communities wethu siyezwana. Nithanda ufunda grade 9. Bangaka bazokwenza iIT. Phamisa kakhulu. Nina abanye nizokwenzani? Ini ufuna ukuba iphoyisa? Omunye ufuna ukuba yini? Ufuna ukwenza tourism? Abanye? Okay, phamisa isandla ngcono, memeze futhi uma ukhuluma. Yes, sis. Ufuna ukuba yini? Angikuzwa nje. Ngaseklasini ngikhuluma nje. Ufuna ukuba uthisha? I think I switch myself off. And then omunye, yebo. Ufuna ukuba psychologist? Ngoba yini? Why ufuna ukuba uthisha? Why you choose teaching? Lokho kuzongilinkela kwinkulumo yami engiphathele yona namhlanje. Manje ngangitshela nje izathu zenu. Why ufuna ukuba psychologist? Ufuna ukuxilonga ingqondo zabantu nezinkinga zabo. Laba be-IT bona why befuna ukuchoose ukwenza IT? Yebo. Angizwa? Ufuna ukuba i-accountant ngoba angimuzwanga kahle shem. Awufuna ukubanakela ama-account wabo. Omunye okay, thina abanye siyabaphelezela laba abanye ne? Angithi? No. Okay. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba nokuthi nisijoyine namhlanje. Njengoba sengishila igama lami ngoZama Dlamini, sivele eMoses Kotane Research Institute, nokuyi-institution engaphansi kuka-government walana KwaZulu Natal. So our main role is to conduct research noku-understanda ukuthi abantu or ama-communities wethu adingani ukuze sokhona uku-advise kahle ugovernment ukuthi nama-policy makers ukuze bezoletha lezi zidingo ezidingwa abantu kona wonke amakhona walana KwaZulu Natal. Sizwane kahle njalo ngisazonibuza imibuzo. Shield program director uthi kuba khona nama-quiz la. So nami ngisazonipha ama-quiz nongiphendulayo ngizomupha something yase Moses Kotane ukuze ezohlala eyazi futhi eyikhumbula nezo. So kakhulu kule group yenu eMoses Kotane sesin advise ngizoba a little bit biased. Mina ngenze iIT esikoleni, ngifunde ongoye, ngenza computer science. Akungithathanga isikhathi. Even ukudecide ngangazi like nina njengamanje. Ngazi mase ngifikile ngalelo la ngevarsity ukuthi what exactly I wanted to do. Ngangengezwe somewhere omunye radio presenter ekhuluma ngevirus bekukudala kakhulu and definitely for sure bengakazalwa nini. So ubekhuluma lapha nezama ukukhuluma ngento ebizwa ngecomputer virus. Niyayazi computer virus? Mina kade ngingayazi ngangani. So wayezama ukuyichaza on what it is and what it does to the computers, and there were no laptops. Bekhona ama computer amakhulu and something la ngemuva nabo lokho ngathi kuyincegela ngemuva. So they were like that. It was huge computers. Otima uyivula switcher on, you can switch it on, uhambe uyogeza, upheke, uyobuyisa lokho nje ibhuthele. So those were the times when thina siqala ukubhekana nama-computers. So ngimtshela lesi story ukuze nani nizokhona ukuyidecide right now what you want to do, and also ungabi ne-peer pressure ukuthi omunye uchoose naseceleni kwakho. You need to choose your career according to your own capabilities. And also wenze sure ukuthi awuyifaki ogibeni lokuthi mhlawumbe uzogcina usufeyila simply because wena uthe ufuna ukwenza mathematics, of which it's something, a subject ongakhoni futhi ukuyenza. Ungayithanda but mhlawumbe zikhona izindlela ongenza ngazo ukuthi uyifundise wena njengomfundi. Sizwana? Ingakho namhlanje sokhuluma nge-digital economy and also nama-smart ways of doing things nowadays. So you need to make sure ngiyazi ukuthi baningi benu you do have your devices nowadays, isn't it? Khona ongenayo cell phone? Ongenayo cell phone? Ikhona kodwa cell phone ekhaya ngisho. And bayayithenga idatha. Uyakhona nokuyintshontsha uma ufuna ukuba ne-account. Or uyakhona ukwenza i-account kwi-cell phone yomngani wakho khona la angizi. Yes. So uma uyintshontshile ke i-cell phone ngalesi sikhathi osayintshontshiile you can use it for your own good. U-access the main websites that can assist you to equip you better ukuze ezoku-expose into izinto ezizoba more positive for your future. Siyezwana? So bengisanixoxela isitori sami ke wakhuluma radio DJ lapha washo ukuthi computer virus njengokuthi uma wena ureceiver incwadi kanti incwadi bayifaka umuthi or poison phakathi, umuthi uyayivula lo poison, the moment uvula bese uinhale bese uyagula. So ne-computer kuba kanjalo, mhlambe izothola i-email uma uthi uyayivula wena njenge-user kanti uyivulela ngisho uyivulela kwi-computer, so i-computer izoba infected in that way. And nowadays it's not just computers are affected ama-viruses. Ma-cell phones wethu, there are also computers on their own. So uma sikhuluma nge-cyber security, sikhuluma ngezinto ezifana nalezo ukuthi uyenza kanjani i-computer yakho or i-device yakho oyisebenzisa ukungena ngayo kwi-internet ukuthi ibe defensive to anything efana nama-computer viruses. Sinabantu abaspecialize ngalezo zinto la eSouth Africa or globally, but la eSouth Africa bambalwa kakhulu kangangokuthi even izifundo zakhona iprovidwa out of 26 or 25 universities, provided by amazwi universities or 3 or 4, meaning it is a scarce skill that you can always capitalize on. And also akusho ukuthi kumele uzohamba e-university ukuthi ukuze uyifundela lona lama courses are related to computer science, to information security or cyber security. Akhona ama-institutions njengaye ma-Alvest, they do provide such in a very short space of time, and then ungaqhubeka uyifundele nawe afterwards, uqhubeke uzenzele on the side. Bayakhombisa nama-platform ongawasebenzisa ukuze uqhubeke depending kwi-interest yakho nanokuthi uphokophele kanjani nanokuthi uyimisele kanjani. So namhlanje ke sizontshela zona lezo zinto ukuthi zimiseleni on whatever you're doing, keep focus. Akhona ama-distractions maningi la within ama-communities wethu, nakhona la kwamasho siyazi ukuthi akhona, nakhona even esikoleni phakathi ahlale khona ama-distraction. But wena uma uyazi into oyizele esikoleni ungeze ukunaka ukuthi ubani uthini ngawe kuphi nini kanjani, nanofuthi ungeze ukunaka ukuthi ubani ubona ukuthi ugqoke kanjani or hairstyle yakhe njani, awuzele zonke lezo zinto wena uma uyize esikoleni angizi. So you need to keep your mind focused on what you are coming for esikoleni. Uma ngifike evarsity yami, what was most intriguing ukuthi bekuhlale kunama-bash, ikota nekota bekuhlale kune-bash. I-bash kufika o-DJ bagcwale laphaya egroundini, sonke isikole, even i-university nayo izonginikeza oma-braai pack ukuthi ngihambe niyobraya laphaya. So if you can imagine, ngafunda for about 4 years ongoye. Ngaqala my undergraduate ngaze ngawuphuma kwi-honors yami. Bala-ke amabhesha amangaki lapho. Amabhesha awu-16 wonke. I never been to one. And angaze ngize ngisondele nokusondela. Ngangibona nje ama-after effects la ema-bathroom abantu sebephalazile ade bephuza utshwala kwenzakalani. Simply because bengizazi ukuthi ngiyele e-university and bengazi ukuthi umzali wami ulindeleni afterwards. And that's what you're supposed to take with you as well. Ukuthi wherever you're going, you do what you're supposed to be doing, and umusuqedile ukwenze at your best as much as you possibly can, and make sure ukuthi you remain the best. Lokho kukwenzelane kuvulela amathuba empilweni. Ngathi sengiqeda i-third year yami ngase ngiyenza nje honors, ngase nginama positions I3. Telkom yayisithe izongithatha anytime mangifuna umsebenzi ngibafonela. 2, bathi mangifuna ibhasari ngibatshela ngathi abalethe ibhasari safuna ukwenza honors. Bayiletha ngangine offer yase-CSIR nakhona same thing, na ibhasari nawa ama vacation work or whatever, simply because ama-marks ami ebengabe ngaphansi ka-95. Bethi masiseclassini abantwana esifunda nabo uthola ukuthi i-course yakhona ngempela iyatrafa, iyashaya. Ngizofike kuthiwe thole uma ngithi ngifeyilile ngithole 8. Thole 8 ongilandela uthole 3. Kuthiwe hayi lo jola nama-lecture. Kade sambona ayikho lento la, ayekho umuntu ongenza kanje. So but kwangekho even related to that. It's just a dedication to one's work. Okay, even namhlanje angakutshela ama-colleagues wami uma ngifike emsebenzini, I go to my office ngenza umsebenzi wami, uma ungidinga uzongithola khona. Uma ngiqeda lapho ngithatha isikhwama sami ngiphuma ngiyahamba ngekhaya, nakhona futhi ngiyofika ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi wami. So that's the life I chose for myself. You can choose any life at all. Nyambona ubhuti la, he is very successful as well in his own world. With digital space, yonke into ayenzayo uyenza to the core. So I need you to keep that passion in yourself and keep the hunger. Uyazi lapho phuma khona ukuthi even though kuthiwa ekhaya baya-afforda, but wena as a person, what do you want for your life? And we to work out for that. And then sikhona-ke thina uma kuwukuthi mhlambe khona lapho okungahlangani khona sizoniguide. eMoses Kotane Research Institute, eMoses Kotane Research Institute sinamathuba amaningi. Uma kuwukuthi mhlambe uqedile esikoleni abazali bathi aba-afford or abazali bathi hamba usebenza, they can no longer support you or something like that or anything, or awukhoni ukuqhubeka phela isikhathini. Oh, okay. Uma kuwukuthi awukhoni ukuqhubeka uyithola uhlele ekhaya and uyaboreka. We do have ama-training programs esiwa-offerishayo nathi online for free. Sinaso nesikhungo esinaso la kwaMashu. So kusemakhosini somewhere ngibonile mangidlula ngena. Sorry, angiyazi environment yakhona but kungale ngase-taxi rank. Uma ufuna ukuthi usithole uyangena kwi-website yethu wenza i-booking, bazokuthatha bekukhombisa wonke ama-training programs esinawo ukuze uthi ungabi uvanzi but uchithe isikhathi wenza something ngempilo yakho uyi-equipa. So thina kakhulu asisiyona i-training institution but si-institution esizayo ukuthi umuntu ayiskile and also ayi-upskill. So mhlambe usutholile umsebenzi ukeshara esitolo, siyakhona ukukusiza ukuthi si-capacitate mhlambe just ukusebenzisa i-basic computing, ukuthi ukhona ukusebenzisa i-computer, sikuphe ne-certificate sakwa-Microsoft ozokhona ukuthi ngisho bekuthiwa uye-US or anywhere in the world bafike basi-recognize. And also siyakhona futhi sinawo amathuba ukuthi mhlambe ufundile-ke uhlele ekhaya, sinawo futhi amathuba ukuthi mhlambe siku-assiste depending ukuthi ufunde ini, siku-assist ukuthi nithole amabhasari or assist ukuthi nithole ama-internships or nithole in-service work ukuzokhona uhambe uyothola isitifiketi sakho afterwards. So ngaleyo ndlela sizama uku-upskilla nokwenza sure ukuthi kuma-communities wethu asinabo abantu abaningi abangazi ukuthi benzani. Even though, and also sizama ukuvala lento lenkulu of which it affects us sonke la South Africa ye-unemployment. So ukuze singabi nayo or siyehlise kancane siyesidile futhi kakhulu nezinto ezifana nokuthi sinifundise ukuthi umuntu uyiqalela kanjani ibhizinisi yakhe, or uma usuyiqalile wenza kanjani ukuthi ikhule ingahlali nje stable ingathi umgwaqo straight, ikhulise phela usebenzise yona i-technology, usebenzise zona lezi zinto, izinto simple like bona ukusebenzisa uWhatsApp for business. Thathe into zakho lapha ama-product wakho ama-solutions wakho wafake lapha kwi-catalog, bethi uma be-check abantu bese bekuthengela khona or uyifake ko-Facebook or anywhere else, as long as it's on the digital space. Ngaleyo ndlela u-reacha more customers or u-reacha more abantu abazokhona ukuthi ba-participate kwi-business yakho. And then also ngaphe kwalokho uma kuwukuthi mhlampe uma kuwukuthi une-idea mhlambe uyabona ukuthi lama-camera amakhulu lawo ekade siwasebenzisa before, uyabona ukuthi mhlambe wena anenkinga biza igebengu lana uma kuthi uyiphethe, so ne-idea ukuthi mhlambe wena ucabanga ukuthi what if ungathi come up with a camera that's just going to be a pen engeke izibonakala ukuthi i-camera. So thina siyakhona ukukusiza ngalezo indlela if uzoqhamuka ne-idea esiyibiza ngokuthi innovative idea engekho engazenziwe umuntu before. So uma uyipresenta kuthina, uma uphuma khona la KwaZulu Natal siyakhona ukukuxhasa ukuthi uyithathe leyo idea usunayo uyithathe up until uzoyifaka e-store, kube ne-product okhona ukuyifaka e-store. Idea yakho ngaba i-idea ye-products ebambekayo or i-idea ye-solution ye-program ozokhona ukuyiprograma, or kube i-idea yokwenza noma yini as long as izosolva i-problem or ama-problems esinawo nama-challenges esinawo la emphakathini yethu. Sezwana. So ngalokho I'm challenging you njengabantu abasha, senizohamba manje niyochoose ama-careers wenu next year. Angithi akekho ozofail. Nathi yes kancane. Anethembisi. So ngiyanibiza ke njengabantu abasha bala kwaMashu. Sonke sivela kwaMashu angithi. Yes, ngiyanibiza njengabantu abasha bala kwaMashu. Inina enazi inkinga ezibhekene nomphakathi wakaMashu. Angeke asuke umuntu emlazi azonitshena nezinkinga ezenzeka la kwaMashu. So inina enizaziyo, do come up with new solutions. Zamani cabanga ukuthi ni resolve kanjani lezo nkinga lezo. Siyeza thina sonifikela nama-challenges esikubiza ngoma-hackathon or ama-pitching service, ama-pitching sessions. Lapho sonifundisa khona ukuthi idea yakho uyenza kanje up until uzoyifaka e-market. So uma unayo i-solution ekhanda lakho, siyakufundisa ke ukuthi ungayicrafta kanje i-business plan yakho, and sikufundisa nanokuthi uma usuyicraftile singakwenzi njengo-Vodacom. Uma usuyicraftile siyi-protect leyo idea yakho bese siyahamba bese uyaqhubeka uyefaka e-market. And ngalokho akudingi ukuthi uzube no-18 years or uzube neminyaka emingaki. Uma ukhona ukwenza i-business even usesekhona esikoleni, you can always also apply. Siphinde senzise nama-training courses amasha, coding and robotics and so on. But angeke ngibhore ngalokho, I'm sure ukuthi esikoleni bayifundisa ngithi coding and robotics. Abanifundisi? Not yet. Mhlambe bazonifundisa grade 10. Ngiyabethemba esikoleni senu. So besizonibizela lokho nje kakhulukazi ukuniqhuquzela ukuthi nithathe kakhulukazi mina ngeke ngasho ngathi ngibiased, nithathe izifundo zakwa-IT, anything related ne-IT. Sengivala nje bengi-attende any ama-conferences since day before yesterday na yesterday ebilapha e-ICC bayibiza nge-Digital Transformation Summit yala KwaZulu Natal. abantu ade bekhona lapho bekungabantu abenze i-IT mostly, abantu abanamabhizinesi kwi-IT, abantu abasebenza kwi-IT, nabantu abawo-CIO, wama-chief waka-IT. Uma ngithi ngiyababheka bonke uma behleli njengoba nihleli la, around about 80 to 90% yabo ngiyabazi, meaning bancane kakhulu abantu namanje abenze i-IT, and lokho kubenza bebe kuyenza i-IT ibe i-niche that you guys need to explore a lot. Ukuthi uthisha, ukuthi uyinesi, ukuthi uyiphoyisa, uyi-psychologist, nowadays iyakudinga i-IT, yonke into yakho uzoyenza ngecomputer. Uma ukuthi awuyenza ngecomputer, you are out, uzosala wedwa. Ngizwile ngama-robots ukuthi are taking over, angithi? Uma ukuthi ngifuna ama-advices, Miss Psychologist labo, ngiyakhona ukuthola i-app ezongi-advisa with what you can tell me kwi-session. Uma ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda thisha, asekhona ama-platform ukuthi ngifunde, ngingedwa ngidlalele endlini. So, niyadinga nani ukuyi-equipa ngezinto ezintsha ezi-available. Keep up with technology, hayi ukuthi nidlale kuphela ku-TikTok. Uma ngabuza nje ukuthi ubani ongenayo i-account la ku-TikTok, I'm sure uyedwa or two. Ukhona ongenayo? Bangaki? Yini indaba ningenayo? Umama akafuni. But wait, awunayo. But if ngikusesha la mina, I can find you. Khona lapho kwayiposta khona through umngani wakho nidansa or whatever ngithi. So akekho umuntu ongekho la kini na TikTok essentially. So uyabona ukuthi we living in a digital space. So yeah, ilokho kubalekile. Okunye mhlambe engingakusho through imvumo yakho program director ilokho kwe-identity esiyifake laphana kuma-social media platforms. Ingakanani information eniyifakayo laphaya? Uyalifaka igama lakho liphelele, inamba yakho, date of birth, ID, yini information engekho laphaya? Sesithi masenza ucwaningo njengama-information security professionals, sithola ukuthi umntwana uthe phume e-university, usuke mhlambe esekweleta enemoto, angakaze ayithenge, enendlu, angakaze ayithenge, enefurniture ayikweletayo, uphuma usukweleta ngalendlela yokuthi awusaqasheki, ublacklistiwe ngenxa ye-information enifaka lapha kuma-social media platforms. So i-importance yokuprotecta i-information yakho can never be told, we can never tell you enough. Ukuthi make sure ukuthi even though ufuna ukutrenda or ufuna ukuduma, ifame or ufuna in, rather come up with another name, pseudonym. Mina ngibiza ngoZMD, angazi not in there, but I call myself that simply because angifuni umuntu ozongibiza ngoZamadlamini, emsebenzini ngoZamadlamini. But essentially, if you go to my ID, amagama nje abangawazi bonke, simply because angifuni ukuthi kulahleke identity yami, angifuni abantu bahambe beyokweleta ngegama lami. Sizwana? So nani-ke nenze sure ukuthi nikhipha yonke information yenu kuma-social media platform. Ngababuza imibuzo embalwa. Ngithe iMoses Kotane, ukhona ongangitshela kancane iMoses Kotane manje? U-Anel uzomupha something.
What?
Moses Kotane Research Institute. Khona ufuna ukuzama, ufuna ukuba yimini. Banini ozama? Yes. Ini? Ikusiza kanjani nani?
Isiza ngokuthi mhlambe unebhizinisi ofuna ukuqala, uhambe ucela usizo khona ebese bakusizayo.
Yes, siyakusiza kakhulu uma unebhizinisi ukuthi ukhona uyiqhubezisa ibhizinisi yakho, ikhona ukuphumelela, uma kuwukuthi mhlambe stable, ukhona futhi ukuthi uyi-revive. Okay? Ukhona omunye? Yini enye siyenzayo eMoses Kotane?
upgrade ama-skills wakho ukwenza ama-skills ama-talent.
Yes, we help you to upskill yourself. Ufundile esikoleni wafunda bono accounting or wafunda ini wahamba wasebenza kodwa manje isikhathi is calling you ukuthi reskill yourself so that you are able nawe ukucompete with digital economy ekhona njengamanje. Ukhona omunye yini enye sikusiza ngayo? Yes.
Assist you to get a bursary.
Yes, we also give out bursaries and scholarships, but nowadays we only give postgraduate bursaries because Sisi Research Institution. So yeah, omunye.
They help you when your parents don't have money to continue studying. They help you with some trainings and they help you to improve your studies and your skills.
Absolutely, absolutely. We do assist you to keep on upgrading your studies. Like we give you about digital literacy, digital marketing, data analytics, lots of other courses that you can do in a space of 2 or 3 weeks. Yes. Ikuphi konjani la? Ikuphi la kwaMashi Digital Center? Oh yes, yes. We do have a digital center yakwaMashu iseMbonambi. Ukhona umuntu osafuna ukukhuluma before ngihlale phansi? Yeah, good. Hola. Moses Kotane, esinye awufuna ukuyi-researcha la wena? uMoses Kotane ucishe efane nabo Tata Mandela ne, just to put it simple to you. Abanye abantu ababelwela inkululeko yethu kodwa yena ifocus yakhe kakhulu kwakuthuthukisa impilo yomuntu omnyama ngokwezemfundo. So ngokuzalwa kwakhe ngokudabuka kwakhe udabuka le eNorthwest wasebenza kakhulu ukuyilwela leyo in such a way that wasuka ngale weza la eKZN nathi was-assista uyo mhlambe uma uye uzo khona municipality okhona khona la kwaZulu Natal obizwa ngeMoses Kotane municipality. So liningi kakhulu igalelo lakhe ngeke ngize ngikhona ukukutshela lona just in an on go. Yes. Do Google.
Thank you. Into ngiyizwile kancane ngokusihlala ukuthi uyaqila ukuqeqesha noma usuku ophesha ukwazi ukuthi uthole lesi certificate sokuthi ukwazi ukuthi
siyabonga mkapteni. Ogcina. Yes. Nangu ogcina la.
They help you build ideas. When you come to ideas, they can help you fulfill.
Can you repeat that?
Vaccines and the ideas is fulfilling now.
Yes.
Other people never take.
Yes, we help you to craft your idea so that it either become a product or a solution, and also give you money to make sure that you take that idea from one stage to another, and also assist you ukuthi leyo idea yakho i-product yakho sigcine sesiyibona on the shelves emarket. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bantwana bethu.
Mbona ngathi ngisemudini yokujayiva. Mina ngizazivele siliqaqile. Azivele siliqa. Ngicela uzozongimela. Ababili abathathu abazongimela. Sike sibone ukuthi ngiyiqaqa kanjani. Akekho umuntu oyiqaqa. Mangiyiqaqela mina lento leshihlokela iphakethe ehamba nami. Ubani ufikayo lephakethe lonke. Akekho ozoyiqaqa. What's that?
So thina laphana kule program sikufundisa ukuthi how to become a brand manager. Niyazi ukuthi brand manager ngithi? Ubani ungayazi? Okay. Uyambona uMingani. Ubani Mingani? Lokuthulani. Lokuzedela. Angisiyabona ukuthi waphokha ke futhi namhlanje TikTok waphokha nje. Mangicabanga ukuthi i-consistency yakhe kubahlali kubona yenziwa yini. Kunomuntu ofana, let's say ofana ne-brand manager, omanage i-brand yakho ukuthi ayi-align nabantu Ubani mhlawumbe onombuzo? Ayikho nombuzo? So uma nganibuza ukuthi yini digital marketing, ngangiyala examples of digital marketing. Cala ngiloye. Ubani? Okay, why would you pick? Would you read? Okay. Which is basically SEM. So it's a very interesting field. Nothing I nothing to say to you about digital marketing and social media. But you guys are more than welcome to come at the table because it
Good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. You look like a bright, young, wonderful crowd. So I'm going to explain, a little bit about our IT offering. But for first things first, I just want to recap with you on why we are all gathered here. All right. So the reason for our gathering is to take you through the course, well, not just the course offerings that we have, but different routes that you can take through your education journey, all right? We are all familiar with, going through school from your grade 10, grade 9, 11 and stuff. But there is another route which you can take, which is the NQF route. Are you aware that the grades that you're actually going through, they are now categorized by NQF levels? Are you aware of that? No. I have a few yeses and a few no's. Okay, so let me take you through that part. As you are in grade 9, you are actually in NQF level 1. Okay, hold on. Quick message. Okay, it's fine. No, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I know. For those who have DSTVs, you need to understand, we see if your boy wants a preferred language, you actually have a remote. So, benzo shitwa default language which is hopefully it is over here in the So yeah, I was explaining, we are now, South Africa is now gearing towards, it's actually have already started innovating the education system yet. Like I was trying to explain, you would say, grade 9 is categorized as Ubani, or NQF level Bani, and Zwan, O1, and then grade 10, Ubo NQF level 2. Grade 11, Ubo NQF level 3, and grade 12 is equivalent to NQF level 4. Right. So, unama options out too if ubungazi. Ungathatha le route leyo ukuthi uqhubeke with the grade school which is where you are in, or ungahamba le route yama NQF. Umehluko between the two is with grade school isikhathi esiningi
kuba more focused on i-theory, mawuthi notice. There are practical aspects kodwa when it comes to your maths, the science, and for schools that are offering i-CAT. I'm not sure i-CAT in your phone or is it offered in your schools? CAT. I didn't have a CAT with it. Yes, but basically, so when we found a computer at an entry level schooling, laban introducer kona programming, but introducer kona kusebenzisa no Microsoft Office and stuff because bangantshela abaphambili or even othisha beni bangantshela le nto engizoyisho ukuthi without skills and technology in today's world uba senkingeni. Imisebenzi eminingi ifuna umuntu okwazi ukusebenzisa i-computer from the basic level kuya phezulu. All right, so njengoba ngisho ukuthi there's two routes you can take to your future, a successful future, is grade school, njengoba ngichaza grade 9 up until grade 12, and then there is your vocational schools or vocational school whereby into eyenzakalayo about 20% kanje kwemfundo yakho is based on i-theory. Ngizokwenza example with ama courses engidila nayo aka-IT. For example, we can take into khona isifundo ekuthiwa i-technical support. I-technical support idila nani? Idila nokuthi ufundiswe one ukuthi yini computer, ukwazi uku-identify ama-components e-computer. Just like ifone yakho inani, ine-battery, angithi, ine-screen, yes? Ine-screen ifone yakho, amanye amafoni anama-buttons and such. So we do the same thing with ama-computer, where you learn what a computer is, identify ama-components, and then the support part whereby usufundiswa ukuthi uwalungisa kanjani ama-computer, not just i-computer nje, but all different types of computers. And leyo nto leyo ayikwazi ukuba ibhuku eliney'thombe, understand? Kumele ube hands on. Ngcono nina ngakafaka izipho, ziyaphuka ke izipho lapha namasokanda ngoba kumele ube hands on. When you be hands on when you are working on izinto kanjalo. So let me go back to into bengichaza ukuthi ama-NQFs ahamba kanjani. So ungaqala from NQF level 3 actually. Ungaqala even NQF level 3 with your IT courses, even with your business courses. Akhona aka NQF level 3. Ngiyakhumbula bekhona aba interested in business studies or even studying your own business. Angithi. Right. So kukhona ama courses are vocational whereby ufunda izinto ezibizwa ngo-new venture creation. La ufunda khona ukuthi uliqala kanjani i-business, or how do you launch a business, or how do you launch a product, wenza njani. Ufunde or project management, how do you manage that whole process ukuthi we launch, we design, we launch kanjani i-product. I just want to add one thing. If you guys don't stop me, I can go on for days, by the way. I can go on for days. Sorry? Okay, cool. All right, yeah. So on your venture creation, on your NQF level 3, once again, which is equivalent to grade money. NQF level 3 is equivalent to ngiyabonga i-answer iye ngokwanda khona abaqala base grade 9 Nkosi. Hey, God bless your heart. So yeah, You can even start there with your journey into IT courses or business courses. There's been a rollout even for connectivity robotics. Ni understand ngalelo gama? What understand ngalelo gama lithi robotics? Excuse me? Yeah, put exactly. So when you look into robotics, you're looking at how to design and create your own robots from scratch. From the structure of a robot to programming a robot like what react and learn for example, ungenza even, or there is kuma brochures khona into eniyibonile lapho ebhalwe u-IoT, yibonile u-Internet of Things. Niyawuthola u-Internet of Things lapho. Anibabhekanga ne? Okay, one Sabega. One Sabega. So lapha ku-Internet of Things, it is related to robotics, but you're literally when the smart devices. Smart devices. So just to show you to explain, I mean, what's in a smart device, that is where I was with designer even a camera for home security. Designer even a camera with, you put the components together, we program the camera it recognize even ubuso bomuntu. Angisama phone yenu was we unlock nangobuso. Imagine designing a camera for your home as of unlocking umnyango just by with camera, or even using your thumbprint or e-voice. Not purchasing the device, but creating the device from scratch. You can even take it further because manjususa zelama devices are created. So I was a maningi ama products engawabala, right? But there is in things I'm going to emphasize with the vocational routes, we are gain one, the knowledge, two, the practical experience. What does that mean? That means compared to umuntu ophume no grade 12 wakhe versus umuntu ono NQF level 4. Lo no NQF level 4 use job ready. Salalelana. Use job ready. Angikhulumi ngento engayazi, ngikhuluma ngami actually. That's the route that I took. So I took Leo route yokuthi I did my technical support in the place of grade 12, not discrediting grade 12 at all. I'm just saying I took on the equivalent of grade 12 because I was looking for employment. I knew the theory is not my thing, I'm more hands-on. So for people who are hands-on, you can look into, obviously with the advice and guidance of us as the Alphas Institute for Future Tech, as well as obviously your parents, to advise you, okay, what are you looking for? What career are you looking to get into? All right? So with that being said, are there any questions that you have? Economy moves. Don't be shy. Look my mess. You can raise your hand. Or something. Something. Oh, nang. We are Yes, you. You were asking something. So not getting it right. Okay, what you can also do, nango sister, very button la. There should be a button la.
So most of the when I go to
uyakwazi ukungena akhona ama-courses like I said that start from NQF level. I think the lowest that we have level 3 upwards, yeah? But from akhona amanye NQF level 2 I've seen I'm forgetting igama layo, but I think it has something to do with the agriculture among our courses. Because khona umshana wami ubefunda usesikole esidila ne-farming and waqala ka-grade 9 wakhona. Ufunda i-farming from low grade 9 wakhona up until low NQF level 4 esekhulu. So akhona ama-trade schools that are similar to us. Ukuthi thina siqala from level 3, amanye ayaqala ku-level 2, level 1 and so forth. Yeah. Alright, so into engifisa ukuyenza to save time, ukuthi should you wish to know more about the vocational system, which includes the QCTO, you may complete you may complete e card with your details, if the number yomzali preferably, because we do need as well as imvume, consent. We also need to speak with Muslim consultants, and we also need to consult your parents as well. So this is what I understand that. So lead cards over there, and we also do have AMA bursaries, because I see there are some of us now about matric, not in uniform, but I do see AMA matric 18. We also do have your vouchers there, which will cut off 2,000 off your tuition fees. We also do have bursaries for those who have completed the matric, but there are criteria or a criteria that you have to meet. Otherwise, thank you.
Hayi siyabonga. Ukhuleka kamnangeni into phambi kwenu. Ngiyizwa nje abathwala omkhulu, hayi mkhulu ngokwenu Nkosi. Ngokomzimba. Hayi lokho abakuchazela. Ngicela nje ukuthi ngibulise program director wethu. Bulise ama stakeholders wethu, ngiyawubona uMosikotane, they are one of our stakeholders. Ngizobachaza nje ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Sengithole esinye stakeholder lapha futhi engayengafunda kusona. Enza short course project management, consultancy training back then. Ngiqhamuka i-portfolio noma abathe ngikhulume ngakho kakhulu. Siqhamuka kwi-organization esiza abantu abasha ukuthi bangene kwi-green space noma kwi-green economy, or abanye bakubiza nge-circular economy. Yilokho ukuthi sifundise abantu ngokuqoqwa kwemfucuza noma udoti uthengelithwe imali. Bangake-ke abazi ukuthi udoti uyalashwa nje, masulahlile awusenavela. Ngiyabona ke thina ke sikhoneka lokho ukuthi udoti awuthi mosulahlile then bese kuphela iveli, but uthi udoti mosulahlile kube khona abaqoqayo bakwazi ukwenza imali. Example nje lula, sine conference esiyenzayo unyaka nonyaka, kade siyenzile nje ICC, siyenza ngoJune ngenyanga. Ukhona nje untombazane osanda wayiwina last year, uthole u5 million ngoba into ayenzayo uqoqa uplastic bese uprocessa wenza isteel sokwakha indlu. So leyo idea yakhe iyona emenze wakwazi ukuthi athole le-5 million. So sekusho ukuthi eminye imikhakha le noma amanye ama-innovative ideas esiwa-encourageayo kubantu abasha futhi ngiyacela nje ukuthi nani bokuthi nila bantu sobambasana nabo singalahli phansi okokuqala nje ukulahla nje phansi nje ukhombisa ungayithandi. Kufanele sizame ukuthi udoti siwuqoqe ngendlela e-right, kodwa futhi udoti awusuwona udoti onganayiveli. Udoti masuqoqile ungakwazi ube neveli kuphela okwakho kufanele ukwazi ukuthi ufundiseke ukuthi useparate kanjani udoti wephepha uplastiki kube nokunye. Ziningi izinto ongazenza ngazo. Kukhona nje kade sikwenye workshop e-DUT kade benza i-fashion show yezingubo ezakhiwa ngodoti lo thina esithi siyawulahla mhlawumbe ama-plastic nantontoni kade benza iy'ngubo ngakho. So those people they are making money out of layers udoti. Wena lo ucaba ukuthi uma usuyilahlile into phansi ayisenayo ivelo. But-ke kuthina-ke kulokhu esike-encourage yilokuthi siyakwazi ukuthi sike-encourage ukuthi udoti ungawubuki ezinto enganayo ivelo but ubuka ezinto ongakwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise, ngoba i-reality le ukuthi not all of us will go to university. Asikho space for everyone. Mhlawumbe nje ku-matric uma bekuphuma ku-matric kuya kuphuma mhlawumbe abantu abawu-500,000 uqualified for ukuthi mhlawumbe bangaba kuma-university ethu, but bangaka ama-university wethu ngokwe-situation. So ama-courses afana nalawa, the future tech, izinto zo-AI, ezinye zezinto ezi-important efanele uzazi singabuki ngehlo elilodwa njengoba nathi siqhamuka kulesi space esi-green, senzela ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuba nendlela yokuphila ngaphandle kokufocusa kwinto eyi-one. So lokho-ke kusho ukuthi mesenza kanjalo sizokwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphile sibe abantu sibe futhi ne-planet, ngoba egcineni siyawudinga umhlaba. Yabo nje manje siney'khukhula, it's because of izinto esizenzayo zokubulala i-planet. Some of ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo yilokuthi ngendlela esilahla kakhulu udoti, siwulahla udoti kuvaleka ama-drainage system. I-drainage masivalekile then it-create ilokhuze problem for ukuthi amanzi aflow, ngoba lamanzi kasachanele kahle azogcina senzani abulala infrastructure. So izinto enjengalezo. So sekuthi okwethu akukhulu kakhulu, but okunye-ke mhlawumbe ekuzocela kulapho ngizocela ukuthi ama-stakeholders la kulabo aba-interested kwi-green space sizobe senza ama-road shows kwi-province enye kade siyenzele khona la njengoba kade sizoba ne-conference. Kodwa nje uzocommunicate mhlawumbe-ke angazi ukuthi ubani kuma-stakeholders uphethe i-list. Sizocela ukuthi mhlawumbe sikwazi ukuthi siba-invite noma mhlawumbe singa-create enye ilokhuza i-register ezokwazi ukuthi kube yona mhlawumbe ezoqondana nalabo abazobe bene-interest kulokhuza kwe-green space. But ngiyayimema-ke for next year ufike i-ICC whether gqoke uniform noma ngigqokile uniform sengingabona ukuthi sizoxhumana kanjani mhlawumbe nabothisha noma ama-organizers wethu sikwazi ngoba sisuke sinabo abafundi sisuke futhi sine-space ibona abantu esifuna ukuthi sidile kakhulu nabo ngoba nile nisabancane nile nisakwazi ukuthi nifundiseke ngokuthi siphila kanjani ekuseveni planet. Abantu abadala unfortunately abasafundiseki ama-tricks ngeke uzumnike umuntu ama-tricks umuntu esemdala ngoba usuke esazi kakhulu manje i-information isuke ingasangeni kahle kanti uma besiyibamba la kunini siyazi ukuthi hayi no izokwazi ukuthi yenzeke a simple thing nje yabo ubheke ama-countries afana noJapan iJapan uyaboshela ukuthi uhlele eduze kwephepha noma kuthiwa lahla wena uma ukhona udoti phansi uyaboshwa 6 months so ngaba sinayo-ke yonke-ke le nto lokuthi singcolelwe yizwe sibe ney'nkinga ey'ningi kangako kube ukuthi siyafundiseka kahle kodwa nabo because bafundiswe besabancane yonke le nto ukuthi bakhule kanjani ya ngizocela nje ukuthi ngibonge ingabe mnode ngibonge uprogram director la owner program director ngibanjwe ngejazi kahle nami bengizo-attenda nje kodwa sekubalulekile ukuthi hayi awuke ukuthi gabu kancane ngiyabonga kakhulu nje ukuthi niphathe siyabonga
Let me tell you something, just before I say something. I call it friends, guys. My dad I call them friends. So,
I okay, so pull out I'm lagging. 02 50 527. Pull it out I'm lagging. Yeah, Green Youth. Green Youth. Yeah, Green Youth Network. Sharp. Okay, sharp. That one drop in WhatsApp then so send it and there's just Zenza. I was sponsor Kurumanya. Okay, sure. Thanks, my brother.
That means Sizinho is also one door. Yeah, wrong. So, ngaqala ngo-2009 bengaziwa ngoSharpsville wonke umasho wonke i-area knows about uSharpsville uyabo so into engizoyibeka lapha kuwenu ngizomela ukutshela ukuthi le nto le esibizele yona namhlanje niyangizwa ngilalela mfethu ngizotshela ukuthi le nto le ebizele la mina ngayibona ngo-2013 when I was doing the afternoon drive on one of the local radio stations. Ngabona ukuthi kunamathuba online. Ngo-2013 when government was talking about the fourth industrial revolution to come, into eyenzeka kumina nga-recognize lokho as an opportunity, and then from there I started to do my homework from there. How do I meet the fourth industrial revolution halfway? No, don't just sit and relax and be ready. Once you heard of something, act. Once you heard of something, act. You understand? So then, what there's fourth industrial revolution that is coming, and then when I was 2 years, and I started to navigate and check what is I told you is an opportunities, the digital opportunities, and then our grabber. That's why our grabber got resigned in 2018. 2018 got resigned and lokusakaza ngisebenza kona ngayovula online radio. Ngoba angithi enye yethuba already ngavula online radio ebizwa nge-Eta Radio. It's 100% focusing into the township lifestyle. That is why it's Eta Radio. U-Eta siyazi ukuthi. So now we call it the township's first voice because angibona ukuthi lamadamane awasinaki thina lokushina ngithi awanendaba nathi. So why singabi neyithi radio yaselokishini esizoba ne-access kuyo wona. Nangapela ikhuluma ngento yaselokishini ine-office ine-office edrobheni isebenzisana namhlanje isebenzisana ne-government entity ebizwa nge-Moses Kotane Research Institute. That is why we are here. So now into eyenzakele angivulani i-internet kuphela ngavula ne-Sharp Zinto Multimedia okuyiyona eyoganiza lomcimbi idila ne-digital marketing. Yenye lamathuba engalibona online i-radio ngapha. It's a digital opportunity. Now, mina ngiphila ngokusebenza online ngabona amathuba ngawasebenzisa. So now I just thought, you know what, let's go back to the township asidingele nekhaya sikhulele khona siyotshena abafowethu abasebancane ukuthi amathuba achithekile online, but it's a matter of you familiarizing yourself with what is happening on the digital space. Ngoba iningi lethu elokishini sisebenzisa i-digital immigration ngendlela wrong. Thola ukuthi abazali basithengela amafoni, abazali basifakele i-Wi-Fi, but thina senzani efonini? We're just scrolling, we're just chatting, we're just looking at our status, we're just looking at it, forgetting ukuthi do the research, go online, check ukuthi Kotane ubani, udila nani, wenza, how do I align myself with that? What-Invest Institute for Future Tech ubani, wenzani? Mama akhona ama-opportunities that are in line with mina kuyona i-AI FT. And then you get it there. You don't need no one to explain to you, but you just need your cell phone with the data and you have everything. Mina njengoba ngime lapha kwenu ngisebenza ngalawo mathuba ngiphila ngawo and ngi-right, I'm living my dreams. Oh, there we go. So now, let's also there's a lot of opportunities online, guys. Let's utilize them. Now, Moses Kotane, now Invest Institute for Future Tech. You can talk to them, they can show you what's in your so that was about to see people up. Who said that? If you have information, you touch that man, or you told that man, and then you work on it. Get with you, so you just feel like you will somebody already. You feel like you send a man already. I know about all my strategy, about high school, about my business online, because I'm on a man too. I'm going to take a church about oh, okay, just before anything, EITA Radio, Google, EITA Radio. Get in there, you can listen to the radio. Thank you so much.
Social media app to make now working. Social media eshera ithombe. Is it A, TikTok, B, Twitter, C, Instagram, or D, YouTube? My brother in there. You know? Oh. eyaqala amafoni eGalaxy? Is it A, Huawei, B, Apple, C, Samsung, or D, Nokia? Wait, ano daw? Nasaan daw? Ini? Yini? Ngayon, nagusot na mga kampeng. Yini? Yini?
Nokia.
Oh, Trinidad Pipe Lulu. Let's try that again. Nabolag. Yini? Samsung. Asenzelane sasa nana maswiti mangaki? Gisena maswiti ngalapha ngemuva. Umbuzo wami olandelayo. Iyiphi igame edumile on a console? Ngichaze ukuthi yini console. I-console yabona uma uphethe lento le oyidlala kanje bese iyavela kwi-TV. That is a console, right? So umbuzo uthi, which of these is a popular console game? Is it A, Xbox, B, PlayStation, or C, GameCube, or D, all of the above? Lapho khoneni kodwa uthini bedulu? PlayStation. Shwelele phansi lolo, asabele unye futhi. Yini? Xbox. Shwelele phansi lolo, asabele unye futhi. All of the above. Ubhuti wesikipho esibomvu. Khuleka, sakhona omunye. Umbuzo wami olandelayo uthi, ilo ubhuti wesikipho esibomvu. Iyiphi ifoni ekuphendulayo uma uthi, hey Siri. Is it A, PlayStation, B, Google, C, a TV remote, or D, an Apple device? Wait, Apple device, yes. Yini igama lekhompyutha enela esandleni econnecta kwi-internet? Is it A, i-calculator, B, iwashi, C, i-tablet, noma D, a smartphone? Okay, it's a smartphone, that is correct. Yabona ngasalula kakhulu lama question. Awuthi ngithi kwanyusa kancane ukuthi ubani osazofuna ukudlala. Ngoba kathi kudlalwa ngami ngala. Senze kanjena. Nakia uthi umbuzo. Yini i-coding? Is it A, ukuthumela a secret message? B, ukubhala ama-instruction kwikhompyutha? C, ukulungisa ikhompyutha, noma D, ukufaka i-app efonini? Yini i-coding? Ha, wasifika ngezo 3. Ha! Dala ngami la ekhaya. Ha, bese ngibusile nje mina. Yini Uthumela i-message. Shalele phansi lo. Computer programming, that is correct. Umbuzo wami olandelayo. I-Wi-Fi ikusiza ukuthi wenzeni? Is it A, ugeza izitsha? Sana. Is it B, ukucharger ifoni? C, ukuconnecta i-device ku-inthanethi? Or D, ukwenza i-laptop isheshe? Umbuzo wami. Lona ngicela wonke umuntu awuphendule. Dr. Hawo kanjani? Manje ngilapha ekhaya ngizobe ngizomqola nje. Umbuzo wami wokugcina. Uba nokhumbula igama lami yahlala. U-AIFT umele uthini? Mama uyafunda wena nje. Umele uthini? Alves Institute for Future Tech.